Hi, and welcome to In the Can. So today I'm going to be making a banana cream pie. I'm going to turn my oven on to 350 degrees. I've already made my crust and blind baked it. So now I'm going to make the filling in the food processor. You can use mixer, hand beater, whatever. So I want a cup of sugar. And to that I'm going to add 2 cups of whipping cream or heavy cream. Whipping cream and heavy cream are the same thing. One and 2. I'm going to blend this up a little bit. Let the cream get just a little bit thick, not very thick. And to this I want to add 3 ripe bananas. 1, 2, and 3. We'll give that a little blend. That's got it pretty well caught up. Then I want 4 eggs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Give that a bit of a blend. And that's our filling. So now I'm going to pour my filling into my pie crust. Ooh, I got a piece of a banana. Oh, I got a whole banana. Let's get that whole banana out of there. In that big chunk too. Well, get them all blended up, and ooh, now that was smart. Pour them into our pie. Give it a little stir to get them mixed in. I'm going to put this back in the oven. And bake for 40 minutes. So let's get this into the oven. Hopefully without spilling any of it. And I'll be back when it's done and cool. Thought you'd like to see how much this pie puffed up. I'm sure it's going to drop as it cools, but that really puffed up. I didn't expect that. And I'll be back when it's cool and ready to eat.